What if hair care could be pure, 100% plant-based, 100% natural, no compromises? Oolaboo created Nature as Essence, a collection that is honest for your hair and for the planet. Every formula is powered by nature itself. Locally sourced plant extracts preserved naturally with a powerful probiotic, free from microplastics, sulfates, silicons and GMOs. Gentle, safe and effective even for the most sensitive scalp. 7 products designed for every hair type, a complete conscious routine with the power of nature at its core, packed in prevented ocean plastic. Nature as Essence, where nature is not added, it is the essence.